My name is Fabian Robles and I am civil engineering student. Today I'm going to explain my map about artificial intelligence civil engineering. I will talk about what is a long example of how used I might feel is impact the skill we need and the future of this technology. What is AI? First, artificial intelligence is the ability of computers or machines to think and learn like humans. In civil engineering, helps analyze large amounts of data, present result, and improve the design and construction of infrastructure. Main example in structural design. One benign example is AI structural design. I can simulate no structural build, behavior under I can also detect possibility risk before construction begin. I can also this make the design process faster, safer, and more accurate. IR also helps resource materials waste be optimizing the design, making the project more efficiency and more sustainability. Impact on civil engineering, pues artificial intelligence is transforming civil engineering in many ways. It alone is engineering to create a safe infrastructure, autonomy calculation and monitor project in real time. It also helps detect structural problems early, which reduces risks and improves public safety. Um, Skill engineering because of civil engineering now need new skill. We must understand how to analyze the data, use digital tools like BIM with AI and adapt to new technologies. We also need good problem solving skill and ethical responsibility, special when designing structurally and people impacting people lives. Five, pues el futuro impact. In the future, I will have a big role in in civil civil engineering. We will see smart cities, automatic construction machine, and predicted mighty for birds, roads, and buildings. IA will make infrastructure safe, faster to build, and more efficient. Conclusion To conclude, artificial intelligence is a powerful tool for civil engineers. It improves design, access safety, and support innovation. AI is not a replication engineering; it is help use credible and smart infrastructure. Thanks for you. Quench.